We are pleased to show you the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power lift gate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.